First of all,
Professor Pauline Byachika Vice Chancellor wa Mbarara University of Science and Technology ahireyo kuhigo ku bwabiri nagambira ruterane ninga stakeholders engagement rw'abakungu kurwo mu matendekero gatarugamo na gamwe kurwo mu Uganda, Kenya, USA hamwe na Tanzania. Ruterano rubira Mbarara University of Science and Technology.
Thank you very much.
Abakugwa babeteranire hamwe kuhanisana ibitekateko okuba kumaraho ebizubi by'empinduka y'obwire kurabira mu program ya climate adaptation and resilience strategies.
Climate change is no longer a distant environmental concern. It is a present development reality for all of us. And now I'm glad that our colleagues from the north are here discussing the same, discussing how to work together. Because climate change is a global issue.
Professor Byachika shabire bakuru b'amashomera aba kugira enkwantanisa abantu benda kuyamba ebyanga byabo.
Every call requires a consortium. Every call requires that you're working with a collaborator either from the south or the north. Without that, you're not going to win that call. And therefore, I encourage you to form these partnerships. You have access to partners from Kenya, Tanzania, from the international, from North America.
Frank ahimbisibwa mutende cyari Mbarara University of Science and Technology kandi urukura program ejashoborira bwenche batandikira project eji nece kuza kuyamba amahanga.
So tumuntu chondoza ategero bibere bitwine ibyo gukora bibiri nyuma abazibiri kumna mushanzo kwa kabiri niba yabimukaga tutendeka abana twine training okwegesa abana kwatena climate change kwatena no kwitegereza ebebuga bitu cities nkaza Kampala, Mwanza na nebindi okubyetebekanise ningo kubigeza okutebekanisa kwakira abantu abakwizo mu matauni mu bugere abo kugira ngo imyanya yabe bakuturamo ibyareka kurugamo imitereza y'ubwire biteganise nzura abantu yababinga bataba byona byaretera abantu bazo mu matauni so tugeze kureba abakuraga matauni bane yabitu ba planners site planners na nabona barumba bakora kikurengwa abantu abarumba izo mu bibuga no batebekanisiwa
na institutions zone za government zimekuwa ziakira research findings hizi kandi policy makers wakazachira bakasteko mu plans zabo kandi ngito technical people tukatanga implement. I hope was very important and very useful. Kunga minunda mingi Oshangangu, these findings are always kept after a research has taken place. Ninga research wise on the whole communication strategy knowledge. Those findings are ending up to the abantu baburizo ninga local government is implementing.
Amakuru agasha kwa Abdulkarim Sengendo.